Origami, a tradition passed down across 1,000 years. It's not just a craft or a game. It's a way the Japanese people have folded their prayers and beauty into a single sheet of paper. As a child, I folded paper just for fun. But now, as an adult, I've come to see how deep its meaning truly is. That's why I continue to fold, even today, because I want to share this beauty with the world. Welcome to the world of origami.